Y'all talking about the fish gon' hit. I don't see no fish out. Go to the Courtney birthday. Shit. I might just have to.
Mommy.
What?
It's raining. It's dropping. One drop comes out right here and I watch it. 'Cause I don't want the potato thing at the top.
I probably ain't gonna fish for a little bit. Oh, dang.
$11 for Freeport.
Can you wait, girl? I'm out, bro. Catch you later. That's a bit. What's up, Drum Fiend? I'm heading out already, bro. Everybody just all up in my comment. I know, bro. Like, it's just